In this video lesson, we will learn about the sum of the angles of a triangle. Specifically, I'm going to prove that the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So, you may have already heard plenty of times that if you have any triangle, it has three angles, and if you add these three angles, then the sum will always be 180 degrees no matter which triangle you chose. This is a pretty common fact, and well, if you didn't know it, then now you know. So the question is, why? Why would this have to be true? So I'm going to give you a proof. So the first thought is, what else has 180 degrees? Is there something we can compare this to? Well, actually 180 degrees is a really convenient number. We know that a line is actually 180 degrees. If we treat it as an angle, it splits the full 360 degrees into two sets of 180 degrees. So it'd be really nice if we could somehow take the three angles of a triangle and put them along the line somehow. For example, if we just take this triangle here, if we could somehow take this angle and the other angle and cut them off, sort of move them over and attach them to the first angle and then create 180 degrees like that. If this worked out, and we could prove that it would always line up into a straight line, then we would know that the sum of the angles has to be 180 degrees. And this is actually exactly what we're about to do. I'm about to show you that when you do move up these corners next to the first corner, you end up with a straight line. So let's check it out. Let's say we have just any triangle ABC. I'm not specifying anything else, just a triangle. So if my proof works, it'll be true for any triangle. Now let's just pick angle B, the point B, and make a line go through it that's parallel to the opposite side. And this line will be L, let's say. So line L is parallel to AC, which is opposite to angle B in the triangle. Alright, so what does this give us? Well, here we have to remember a few properties of parallel lines. Specifically, let's say we just have two parallel lines. I'm just going to draw them out here separately, and they intersect one line. Then these opposite pairs of angles will be equal. So let's look at how that applies to our situation with the triangle. If I just cover up part of the drawing, then look, we have the two parallel lines intersecting line BC. So this angle is equal to this angle. And similarly on the other side, if I cover up BC, then we have AB, and we have this angle must be equal to this angle. But now look at that. We have a straight line, and then that straight line, which is 180 degrees, we split up into three angles: angle B, an angle equal to angle A, and an angle equal to angle C. So if I label them, let's say X, Y, and Z, then I can see that we have X plus Y plus Z has to equal to 180 degrees. So it works. We lined up the corners, and we got a straight line, and that's line L. So it works really nice. Alright, well, thank you for watching, and I hope that this was useful for you.